Hey guys, so today I got another Lego mop to show you. This is Emmett's house, and let me see if I get out of the way. Pretty nice detail. I have a little more work to do on it. It's not completely done, but I just want to make a video of it. Put in the sidewalk here and put a door in there. Take that part out, put a door in, and I have to put a table up there. And pretty much it. Here's the back of the box. There it is, the pizza. And then, at the back, pretty much there's a furnace from Minecraft. And there's a crafting table piece right there. All these boxes are made for Minecraft. Well, that's from like set. But let's take a look at the inside. Let's take a look in the inside. I'm just gonna, before I do that, I'm gonna take a big way now. At the inside. So I put a piece block there. Just to give it that. Other side, some basic stuff. All I need to do is add a T. So nothing much in there. All I need to do is add a table in there. Matter of fact, I will do that right now. The table. I can get it in. There we go. Let's put the pizza on top of it. Pizza, good. Plugged in this too. So, as you can see, remember I put my pizza and my coffee in there. I put some, you can see the reflection from the bricks. Kind of like the outside here. Get a window here. Look out. Here. Laying down. So that is our custom Lego mop. Hope you enjoy. Oh, and also, I have to put a sticker here. I might put that in a minute. So that is our custom model. Put the roof back on. Then I can put the minifigs in there. Probably the balcony. Hold on, balcony. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. And me, my stick fig. We'll see you all later. Bye.